Hi, this is Sarita Laroche, and today we are going to be looking at this painting. I decided to show it at the very beginning of the video because I'm packing up my studio, and honestly I wasn't sure if I'd have an after picture nice and edited once I put this video together. So I just thought I would point out a couple of things that I really like about this painting. I used satin enamel from Decoart. It gives this kind of satin finish, almost like a chalk paint finish. And it also does all of these cells when it mixes with different kinds of acrylic paint. I love the softness of this particular painting, all done in pastels and these thick edge gallery wrapped canvases. So if you want to watch me make it, let's go do it. Let's go into the studio. Well, I'm already in the studio, but let's go back in time into the studio.